Welcome back to yet another part of Top 50 Excel Shortcut series. If you have not seen the earlier part of this series, then please see it because you are missing something very important. I have provided the link of the same in the description box below. This is the 8th part of the series, so stay tuned. Hello, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Number 36. Open spelling dialog box. Hit F7 in Windows and function 7 in Mac to display the spelling dialog box. I presume that I don't need to explain more on this. Number 37. Duplicate object. Use combination of Ctrl D in Windows, Command D in Mac to duplicate objects on the worksheet, including charts, shapes, smart art and text boxes. This is a handy way to maintain consistent formatting across a number of like objects. Number 38. Hide or show objects. Hit Ctrl 6 in Windows or Mac to toggle the display of all the objects on the worksheet. This shortcut can control the visibility of pictures, smart art, charts, etc. Number 39. Insert or edit comment. The combination of Shift F2 in Windows and function Shift F2 in Mac will open a comment that exists in the active cell, ready to edit. In case there is no comment in the active cell, a new comment will be created. Number 40. Delete comment. To delete the comment in Windows, you will need to hit Shift F10 keys on keyboard. This will just open the right click menu and then press T to delete the comment or note is what it is called in latest versions. Similarly, Shift F10 in Mac will lead you to open the right click menu. However, unlike Windows, there is no further shortcut in Mac to delete the comment. For this, you will need to use arrow keys to reach to the delete comment option and hit return. I hope this shortcut will change the way you work in Excel. If you found this video useful, please like and share this with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. See you soon in the next video with part 9 of this series. Thanks for watching.